Hi there and welcome back to the Investing in the Web channel. So in this video I'm going to walk you through how you can buy stocks or shares using eToro's platform, mistakes to avoid, the pros and cons and other relevant information. So the first thing that you actually need to do is to visit eToro's platform. You can use our link which is in the description down below. Then you need to click login, you put your login details. Click continue, and now you are in your profile basically. So this is my eToro account. So if you have already deposited and you are ready to start investing on eToro's app, the first thing that you need to know is that some stocks are not real stocks. So some stocks are CFDs, which is a derivative. It's a financial instrument where you do not own the underlying asset. So are not the owner of the company. So how do you check this? So I will show you an example. So let's say that you want to buy Saudi Aramco stock. You can see here that this is a CFD, so this is not the real stock. So you need to be aware of this when you are placing your trade. As you can see here, you can see it's a CFD, so you need to be aware. CFDs, you do not actually own the asset, is a derivative product. Sometimes you have to pay overnight fees and other types of fees that in stocks they do not apply. So just be aware of that. In this case, let's say that you are ready to buy a stock. In this case, I will be buying Reddit stock. So in this page, as you can see, it shows information about Reddit. So as you can see, it's quoted in the Nasdaq, it's quoted in US dollars, and there are many different types of information. So you can see the charts, you can see different analysis by different users, by the eToro platform. News and even financials of the company, such as the market cap, the PE ratio, so many different types of financials. And let's say that you want to invest in the company. It's pretty simple. You just have to click trade and then choose your order details. So I will be buying $600 of Reddit stock. I will choose no leverage, because if you choose leverage, it becomes a CFD again, and you will be charged with overnight fees and other types of fees. Plus, you do not actually own the asset. So in this case, I want to be an owner of Reddit stock. Just set the leverage, the amount, then you choose the stop loss and the take profit. In this case, I won't be taking any profit nor a stop loss, so just leave it like this. You can choose also the order type, so either a market order, which basically buys the stock at the current market price, or you can set a limit order that it basically buys the stock once it reaches your desired price. So I will just buy a limit order a little bit below the market price. This is generally irrelevant. So, and now you can see here also the fees that will be charged. So it's a $1 fee. It's pretty okay. And you can choose the balance that you want to use to make this trade. So I also have I opened the Euro account, but in this case I will be using my USD dollars to make this trade. Click the buy button, and that's it, it's done. So yeah, once I've done my trade, I can go to portfolio and check the position. So in this case, my trade hasn't been executed yet. Why? Because the market is not open yet. So once the market opens, it will try to fulfill my order at my given price, and I will hopefully be a Reddit stock owner, or I will have to adjust the price, maybe give a market order so that I can become a shareholder. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and let us know in the comments below in case you have any questions or any feedback that you want to add. See you next time.